Hi guys, welcome back. Right, in the post yesterday I had a nice little lock here. It's a 5-pin, unnamed. I have a key, but the key is mummified, so I haven't had a peek. This one is modified by potti314. Meepo. I don't know if that's Meepo or Hippo. Hippo's 2 P's in it, so Meepo. Yeah, I'm guessing. 28th of November 2015. This is potti314. Check him out on YouTube. He's a great picker. And I have the pleasure of having a crack at one of his challenge locks. Put a little note in there. Hi Simon, have fun with my creation. By Michael. So here we go. We'll have a go, Michael. I cannot promise that I'm going to open this quickly. First time I tried it out of the packet took me 9 minutes, so it would have been an epic video, much too long. So we'll have a go now anyway. We'll try it and see what we can do. That's pin 1. I'm touching there. Right, touched him twice. He don't feel like he wants to go anymore. Let's have a feel for pin 2. Yeah, getting a little feedback off pin 2. Try pin 1 again. Alright, I think I got 1 and 2. 3 feels spongy. 4 feels spongy. 5 feels spongy. That was 2 again. Let's try 3. Click off 3. Nothing on 4, nothing on 5. Back to the front. Click on 1. Big click on 2. 3 that was. 4 feels springy. Got a false set now. Where are we? 4, 3, 2, 1 feels set. 2 still giving me some clicks. 3, I think 3 set. 4 feels solid. And 5 feels like he needs setting, but you don't want to go. So we'll keep working down the front for a minute. A little bit of feedback on 2. 1 and 2. Not sure. Getting some feedback there. Counter rotation, lots of it. That was a click on 4. Feeling very solid in here now. Bit of feedback on 3 maybe. Feedback on 4. 5 feels solid. I'm literally having to work my way back to front and just test them because I have no idea of the picking order. Just trying to feel if I can get any feedback. Yeah, that's 5 I think. Massive counter rotation. And we're open. Finally! Blimey! That was quite hard, that one. What is that? Oh, it's at least 3.5 minutes. I don't know how long I was talking before I started picking, so it's maybe even up to 4 minutes, that one. I'll open him now if I can. If I can get this bloody thing off. See if I can get the clip off, that is. I don't want this to be a 20-minute video. And I ain't got my glasses, so but it looks like he's going to come off not too bad. There we go. Stop that. I've got the clip. Right, should have got all this ready, shouldn't I? Right, got the clip. There's the clip gone. Follower. There's my follower. Does he fit in there? Yes. Try not to bugger up any springs. Okay, there we go. We've there. Right, let's have a look. What we got in this then? Potty. Right, pin 1 is... I haven't got my glasses on. Fuck's sake. Pin 1 is... I don't know what you call these pins, that's the trouble. And I can't pick it up now. Right, pin 1's got sort of, I don't know, it's got something on the top, a serration sort of thing on the top. It looks a bit like an, I call them atom bombs, but 2 is a blimey, look at that. 2, so let's get me other tweezers, might be a bit better. I can't see these, all I can see is a blur, so because I ain't got my glasses on. There's number 2, if you can see that. It's very very sharp, sort of horrible thing. Number 3, blimey, look at that. Look at that. Horrible bloody thing and all. I say horrible in a nice way. 4 looks standard. And 5 looks standard. The core is threaded. Threaded in 2, 3, 4. 5 looks like it's got a counter milling in it. I can't feel any threading in that. Right, so yeah, threaded. Core is threaded in 2, 3, 4. 1 looks standard. 5 is counter milled. So Michael's really trying to stick it to us there. Right, let's have a look at the drivers. These are going to be just as awful, I bet. I say awful, but I mean nice, really. Awful trying to stitch us up on the picking, I mean. Right, so number 1 is not actually even coming out. So the spring on that one isn't very big. It didn't, they normally shoot out. Right, so number 1 is standard. If I put it like that, you might be able to see them better, might you? Pin 1 standard. Pin 2 is that got serration on it? Yes, it's got serrations in it. I really should have put my glasses on. That looks like it's got a serration on the top and the bottom. I'm just going to see if I can find my glasses. There they are. Right. What's that? 1 and 2. Is what? 1 got any serrations on it? Now I've got my glasses on. No, 1 looks standard. Number 2. There goes the camera. Stupid bloody camera. Right, that should stay there now. Right, so yeah, 2's got serration on the top and the bottom. Number 3, for our delight, is it's one of them ones I call an atom bomb. Number 4 is, I can't bloody, there it is. a spool, but it's deeper one end than the. Is it deeper one end than the other? Looks like a spool, but it looks like it's been thinned down on the end. So I don't know if Potty's made that spool itself. Right, let's see if we can get the last one out. What is the last one? There he is. You don't want to come out. That looks like a homemade sort of spool thing as well. It's a spool, a sort of a spool. Look at that. Fabulous pins. Love it. I can't tell if the Bible is can't tell if he's done anything with the Bible. I don't think so. So yes, that was potti314, the first one I've had a go on one of his challenge locks, and I'm very impressed. That was really good fun, and not very easy, to be honest. I kind of do quite well with challenge locks, and that one I think that's probably the hardest I've done. Let's have a look at the key anyway. Actually, the key. There is the key. I thought these at the back were deeper. I couldn't bloody get them. So there we go. That was potti314. Thank you very much. I loved it. I shall be sure to pass it on. I'm sure someone else would like to have a go. So anyone who wants to have a go on potti314's challenge lock, let me know and I'll send it to you. You can have a go. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye.